I brought you now.
Oh, how nice. You can come to my class anytime you want.
It's here in my lunch bag. Could you hold that? And hold my chip. I know it's in here somewhere.
What, 2-foot-long sandwiches?
Actually, they're 11 inches. I'm trying to cut down. Ah, here it is.
Thank you for making the trip, Kirby. Maybe your kindness will rub off on the rest of the class.
Hey, I brought you a chocolate cupcake just last week.
No, you snuck in the chocolate cupcake and I confiscated it.
You still ate it?
Well, it was delicious.
Thank you. I'm known for my frosting.
Hey, Bailey. You mind if I join you?
Sure, Holden.
What Bailey doesn't know is we switched out our bland tuna fish sandwich with a howlin' hot habanero hoagie.
So, beautiful day today, huh?
Hot.
Well, I guess it is a little warm.
Hot.
Oh, thanks. Guess the body mist is working.
See? Howlin' hot. And see? Hey. You've just been Screw You. It's the newest segment on Yay Me. After a while. Viewers, you asked for more wacky hayseed Bailey, and now you got it. So Bailey, how was your hoagie? Oh, boy, I am very angry about that.
I have no idea what you're saying. Enter my shot.
And now, for our next segment, Beauty Tips with London Tipton. You might want to stay here for this.
All right, Jordan. I broke out a few of my flashcards to help you study.
My math may be rusty, but I think there's more than a few.
Oh, all of this information is going to be on the test. And more. You're going to need to learn it all.